Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make organic henna paste. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 100% pure, finely sifted henna powder, which is crucial for a smooth consistency. For the liquid, opt for fresh lemon juice or distilled water. Finally, select a skin-safe essential oil, such as lavender or tea tree, to improve the stain and add a pleasant aroma. These simple components are the foundation for beautiful, natural henna designs. Now, let's mix our paste to achieve that perfect consistency. Start by combining about 1/4 cup of your pure henna powder with approximately 1/4 cup of your chosen liquid in a non-metal bowl. Gradually add more liquid, a few drops at a time, while stirring continuously. Aim for a texture similar to thick yogurt or mashed potatoes. This careful mixing ensures a smooth, lump-free paste that will flow beautifully from your applicator cone. Once your paste is mixed, it's time for the crucial dye release stage. Stir in about 1 teaspoon of your chosen essential oil. This helps deepen the stain. Then, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap, ensuring no air can reach the surface. Let the paste rest in a warm place for 6 to 24 hours. This resting period allows the natural dye molecules to release, resulting in a rich, long-lasting color on your skin. After the dye has fully released, give your paste a final stir. Check its consistency. It should be smooth and flow easily. If it seems too thick, add a few more drops of lemon juice or water until it reaches the desired texture. Now, carefully scoop the paste into your applicator cone. Ensure there are no air bubbles, as these can interrupt the flow during application. Your organic henna paste is now ready for creating stunning, temporary body art.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.